Hey, there's Eliza. Na, anong gagawan mo? What are you doing? Ha? Ah, manabuya. Kalakalale. Be careful. Ay! Yung sapatos na. Sinula po.
I know.
Makanano kakatas. Off the edges, baby. Pota manabu ko. Gusto yan. That's right. Ooh! Sabi na eh. Be careful. Nano yan?
Toys.
Nano?
Talungan.
Tialungan.
Mommy.
Na, what kind of pialungan is that? Nano lang pialungan din?
Horses.
Horses. Oh, pangalatida. They're small. Tiny ones. Ne.
Yeah.
Okay. What you gonna say to your friends? Nasabi mo ka rin kaluguran mo.
Hello.
Oo, lawan mo lo. Look at them.
Hello.
All right. That's it.